everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. This is my Christmas look. This is a look that I have created for Christmas. You can also wear this for your New Year's party or any day of the year for any kind of events that you want to do, because why not? This is the look, and you can find some of the products on my online shop. And if you do like this look, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's not waste any more time. Carry on watching so you can get to see how I created this look. Let's get started without wasting any more time. First thing I'm gonna do is to prime my face. The primer that I'm gonna be using is your Kat Von D. This is going to be heavy on the eyes. We're going to do a heavy eyes shadow look. I'm going to start off with my eyes first. The concealer I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay Primer Eyeshadow Potion. Palette that I'll be using can be found on my online store. Just take a fluffy head brush and I will go in with Pass It On.
Apply the eyeshadow in a circular motion with a very light touch so the color is spread out more evenly.
When you feel it's enough, then you stop. Otherwise, go on making it deeper. So as you can see, I am no makeup artist. I have gotten the V on this side, but not so much on this side. But it's okay. We will be correcting that later on.
I'm going to blend till there are no harsh lines, and the effect for the next color to be on it would look very seamless and flawless with a very beautiful gradient look. I will use the shade called In Bold and use it as my transition shade. It's not focusing. I will start from the outer corner of my eye and work my way towards the inner corner, and then I will be building up the colors. So in the start, I will not just pack on all the colors. I will take my time and build up the colors to the desired depth that I want, and I think it would look good and last the whole day.
I brought the color towards the inner corner of my eye, but for the second color in bold, I'm just keeping it a lot lower than the first color. I'm not crossing beyond the first color. That way you're able to see a gradient in the two colors. I'll be using my Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette, and I'll be using this green shade on my lower eyelash. It's called the Side.
I will line my lower eyelashes with the shade called the Side using a flat-headed brush. Next, I will pick up this light green color on my brush, and I will be applying this on the inner corner of the lower eyelid, so there will be a transition from light green to dark green. This is going to be my take on how a Christmas look or how a New Year's party glam look would look like. And I do like it when colors are transitioning from light to dark. Again, I'm just gonna pat it on lightly till I get the desired color. This is a bit shimmery, so bling bling bling.
Have to pack on the glitter. This look is so versatile. Can be done for Christmas, for New Year's, basically any day. So pack on the sparkles. Or it looks fine. I am not gonna pack on any more glitter. After this, we are going to go and correct the look to make it more even. I use Bure wipes to clean up my corners. Now I'm going to be lining my eye. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D ink liner. I love Kat Von D's eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is, this is the tip. And I'm just going to line my top eyelid from the corner, just the corner. I'm not going to go in all the way. So just going to do the corner. I do like what I'm seeing. I think it's turned out to be really beautiful. This is the eye that you can do for Christmas and New Year's or any other day of the year where you want to be you. Now, move on to the rest of the face. I primed my face earlier, so I think I'm gonna do it again. Why not? Once you're done putting primer, I actually went in with Kat Von D's primer and on top of the Fenty Beauty because, you know, when you're going for a Christmas party or New Year's party and you really need your makeup to stay, it is not necessarily for you to use two primers, but I just went ahead because why not? If you're following my channel for the first time, please give me a thumbs up, a follow, and a subscribe. After my primer, I'm gonna go with my foundation. So I'm using this avocado green beauty blender. You can get this on my online store. I will put the link below in the description box. The concealer that I'm gonna be using is Fenty Beauty in the same color 220. This is how it looks like. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using this palette and then this contouring shade. You can find this palette on my online shop.
Girls and boys, you can touch your face however you want. This is entirely up to you to decide. I just like to make my forehead a little smaller.
I'm gonna take this loose powder and go under my eye. You can get this in my online store. The color that I'm using is number 3, and this is another makeup that I've sourced from China, so do check it out if you like what you see. For blush, I'll go back to the same palette and I'll just use the blush color here. Highlighter that I'll be using, it's by Too Faced Candlelight.
I like to highlight till I'm able to stop traffic on the road. Just go crazy with the highlighter. There's no hard and fast rule that says you have to be subtle. Just go all out. And I like to highlight that way. I'm going to highlight down my nose and it's going to look long. Let's see how long my nose looks. It's so pretty, long and straight. Loving it, loving it.
I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and this is Tarte Amazonian Clay in Rich Brown. So the next thing I'm going to go on and do my lips. So for my lips, I'll be using two colors. One is the Urban Decay Game of Thrones Daenerys Targaryen. And the other color that I'll be using is Estee Lauder's 300. To line my lips, I will be using one of the color from this set of 12. You can buy this from my online store. The color that I'll be using to line my lip, it's number 2. I'm done with my lips, and the last thing left to do is put on mascara. I don't know how to put false eyelashes, so what you do, you buy mascaras. So I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. And if you want your eyelashes to stay, so what you should do is take your hair dryer and blow at your eyelash curler and then curl your lashes. That way your eyelashes would stay curled up. I am done. Thank you for watching. So this is the final look. If you do like what you have seen, and if you do feel that the way I have gotten this look is useful and you'd like to try it out, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.